So guys, welcome back to another video. Today guys, I'm gonna be doing a drink, and I'm gonna use just 4 apples, and this lime is very big. It almost looks like one of the apples. And a piece of ginger, pineapple, and some celery. So guys, I've washed my apples, my pineapple, and my celery is washed, but I stick them in the water to keep them fresh. So guys, let's get into the cutting up and the peeling of the pineapple. So guys, here is my celery, and I am going to cut off, let me see, bear with me. I'm going to cut off this end, and we're going to leave it just like this. So I'm going to do some more, and I am going to use the leaves also. And guys, remember to wash, especially celery. This is not dirt, this is just the resting of the plant on each other. So let's see if I have any luck with this pineapple, because the last time I purchased a pineapple, didn't have any luck. Oh, this one is good. Thank God for that. Thank God, it's not even level. I wanted to see if I could use it. It's not so level. I want to use it for a cup, but guess what? It's not gonna work because it's a bit lean. It's not flat, and if I cut the bottom of it, it's not gonna work out. So let's just, we're gonna use half of it. Half of it, guys. And of course I need this to do some decoration. That's the stem. So what I had in mind was to use the pineapple for put the drink in there and use it for a cup or a glass, whatever I want to call it. It's not glass, it's a fruit, but it would serve as that purpose. So because it was not level, I am not gonna use it. So we are gonna go in and we're gonna just take out the core. And guys, I'm not gonna throw the core away. So our pineapple in small pieces, and we're going to put them in this little bowl, square bowl. And we are gonna peel our lime, and this is a big one, guys. So we cut the top and the bottom off, so you have the lime sits on the cutting board flat. And guys, hope you all will try this drink, because celery lower blood pressure and it cleans the body, and lime alkalize the body. So I'm going to leave a little bit of rind on it, because this is also good too. So guys, let's get into the juicing. So guys, here we are. I've set up everything, so let's start with the juicing. So guys, I'm gonna go around the back just for a few minutes. I'm gonna pick some mint, fresh mint from my garden, and then come and add it to what I have here with the lime and the rest. So give me a few. And guys, here we are in the garden. I'm gonna be using some mint to make the drink. Just add it to the pineapple. So we're gonna pull the flip gate, we're gonna put the lime in, and we're gonna put just a piece of pineapple, and we're gonna turn on our juicer. So guys, here we have our juice coming into the mixing bowl, and of course I'm using my Cuvin Revo A30. I love my juicer. So guys, look how beautiful this mint is, and mint has a lot of benefit, guys. It helps with bloating, so everyone should try and have some fresh mint. Sometimes I'm gonna pop this in our Cuvin Revo A30, and this machine, it squeezes and crushes. So guys, look out, it's gonna crush and squeeze. So guys, here's the lime. That's the first thing I popped in, and a piece of pineapple added to it, and the mint, as you can. And guys, let me tell you a little bit about this juicer. The Triton juicing drum is an environmental safe BPA material approved by the US FDA, Europe NSF, and Japan Health Department for use of food containers. So this container that you see the juice, the juice is in, it is very good. It's not something to let anyone sick. It is very, 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 very good. So guys, I'm gonna pop an apple in, and we're gonna keep popping everything in until the mixing bowl is full. So now guys, you can have a better look at it. And there is our celery, and here is the juicer. It's magnificent, amazing. So let's keep going, guys. I'm popping things in top. Here is the pineapple, and pineapple is good for inflammation, and the celery helps to lower blood pressure, and the ginger helps with inflammation also. So these things combined together is one powerful drink, and you could not have get this drink without a Cuvin Revo A30. Guys, our mixing bowl is almost full, so we are coming close to the time to let out our drink. And as you can see, the trash is coming out, and we can save those trash. We can make smoothies with them. We don't have to throw them in the garden. So let's keep rolling, guys. And there you have the celery. It's going down and it's being crushed. What a powerful machine. So guys, let's let out our first batch of drink. So guys, we are going to let out our first batch of juice. So that's the celery, pineapple, mint, and now we're gonna go in, guys. We're gonna do put in some ginger. We're gonna start with some ginger. So there you have it, guys. We're gonna put in some pineapple, and we're gonna pop an apple in, and we're gonna turn our juicer on once more. And did you know that the mint helps with digestive health, boosts immune system, and it helps with a better brain function and help to manage stress. So guys, with the celery help to calm you, it lower blood pressure. So with the celery and the mint and the ginger and the pineapple help to manage stress. So guys, let's keep going. I'm gonna put some pineapple in, and the mixing bowl is almost full. It's halfway there, and we're gonna pop some celery leaves in because we're not gonna waste anything, guys. Everything is going in this Cuvin Revo 830. And guys, you don't need to put sugar in no juice that you use the Cuvin to make, because everything is in the fruit already. So the apple will sweeten this drink for me, and so it helps to not spike your insulin level. So let's keep going, guys. As I said before, the trash can use to make smoothies, and I see some people make tea from the trash. I'm about to try that very soon on the channel, so be on the lookout. So guys, let's pop our celery in. And do you know that celery has a thing named 3N-butylfolate? This helps with strokes, guys, to repair the body after you have a stroke. So guys, Google it and you can see the benefit of all that I'm using in this juice today. So guys, now our mixing bowl is almost full. So we're getting to that point where we are going to let out our juice and then do the serving. So let's keep going, guys. And this drink is loading with benefits, more than you asked for. So guys, again, I'm using my Cuvin Revo 830. You have the Cuvin Auto 10, which I want to invest in, one of those. But for now, I'll be using my Cuvin Revo 830, which is very powerful, and it is good to invest in a juicer, because juicing is life and health is wealth. So guys, we're gonna let out our second batch of juice. That is it, guys. I enjoy having this juice on a weekly basis, 3 times a week. So guys, I'm gonna run this ginger through the juicer. It's the last bit. So guys, I'm just gonna put some more celery in that I have left over, and then we are going to serve our healthy, powerful drink. So let's keep going, guys. Hope you all are enjoying this video. So now you can see that I am pumping out the rest of juice from the juicer. Just a small amount, but every bit count. So there you have it, guys. I am gonna use this to do a little decorating. Yeah. Wow. So this is it, guys. So we'll put this right there. And we're gonna put our drinking cups or glass, whatever. And we are gonna go in now, guys. We're gonna share our drink. And guys, this lower blood pressure and do much more. So nevertheless, one is full and one is almost full. We are going to cover and we're gonna use some, it's all green today, all green. We're gonna just put some celery leaf. We don't want it to be too crowded. Now let me see if I can get a better leaf for that section. Yep. So guys, subscribe to the channel for more. See you in the next video. Have a lovely weekend. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give a thumbs up and share with a friend the healthy tips that I provided on this channel. Sorry about the noise. Bye for now. As you can see, and celery has Apigenin that helps to protect you from the sun. So guys, who wouldn't want to try this? And do your research and you'll find out how much things celery can help with. So guys, have a good weekend. Thank you for watching. Bye.